Hi guys, what is up? This is Jyotsna and I'm back with a new video. So like I promised in my previous video, I'm going to be doing an Ikea haul, but this is not going to be like any other typical Ikea haul. This is going to be the hot picks from Ikea. So I'm just going to be showing you all of my favorites from there and the things that I really loved and I think are super cool right now, especially because there's a sale period going on. So yeah, without any further delay, let's get started. So the first item has to be this one of my favorites, and the second I saw this, I instantly knew I had to take this. I think this is a perfect 3-set showpiece that you can put anywhere around your house. Look at this. This is so pretty. Like, it's so cute. I can't wait to put it like on my study table or something. It's gonna look super cute. And I also have the smaller one which looks like this. Again, really cute. And another one which I think is sort of midway, not too small, not too big. It just looks like this. I have to say this is my favorite. I think this one is really cute. Imagine all three of them together. I think it looks super cute. So the next item I have is again a decor item, but again super unique and super classy. So this one is this gold flower sort of a decor bowl. Pretty sure my mom's gonna put this somewhere in the hall with probably some flowers or some random things on this. I think it looks super cute without anything also. It looks very fancy, and of course because it's gold, it's like shining and all of that. But yeah, this is again very cute. I really like this one as well. So the next few items I'm actually very excited about, just because I like smelling good scents a lot, which is why I really love their candles. Every time I go to Ikea, I probably don't pick up anything, but candles are something that I always go back with just because they have the best flavors. So this is green apple, one of my favorites. I've always bought green apple candles from them, but they also have other flavors like vanilla, coconut, stuff like that. So you must be wondering why I didn't get the bigger candles and why I got these floating candles. It's because I bought lanterns this time, which I think is so cute. I just wanted to keep those floating candles inside this and light up, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna look super pretty. This is how it opens up. I think it's so cute. This is amazing. This is how it looks, and you just put the floating candle inside and close this. Look at the way it closes. You just have to put this up and like put it down like this. So cute. Next one is again very similar to the lantern concept, but this one is different. This is a house, and this is a black color house. Like, how cool is that? It has a heart here at the door, which I thought was really cute, and it opens up like this, and then you have like a space to put the floating candle inside here. You have the windows, you have like the door with the heart, a window again in the front, and it also has details on the roof. You buy a lot of fake showpieces and fake planters and things like that from Ikea. So I was very proud when my mother picked up these, which are like real plants. My mom is sort of gardening and she's obsessed with planting and all right now, so these are the other plants that she bought. I'm holding it very carefully because there's water and I don't want it to leak down, but yeah, this is what it looks like. The next random thing are bed sheets. Ikea always has the best bed covers, bedspreads out there. I even like their comforters. They're really cute. They have very like unique designs, and most of them are very minimalistic and simple, but it also looks really great when you put it on. Like, for example, check this out. This bed cover is what I picked and I really love it. So it's like a very light sky blue color, and it has like flowers all over. It looks so pretty. And this is another one which is like a blue color with like white square sort of a design. It's not really a square, but like a messy square, I would say. And then there is another gray one with the similar design to the one that is there on the bed right now. It just has like all these flowers, have different colors, different designs and all of that. And the best part is it's so simple yet elegant, which is why I thought I would show you guys the bed sheets collection there. So the last three items that I have are actually quite bigger because they're like furniture items, but it has increased my productivity so much because we're in that work from home, study from home culture right now with the pandemic. I really wanted to invest and take a really good study table with like a very comfortable chair, like a perfect office chair, and I also wanted like an organization drawer sort of an arrangement, just because it'll be perfect for me to like just work or study, whatever. So I made a big purchase, sort of a big purchase, but I'm very happy because it has improved my productivity, and it was high time that I get a great study table and invest in one. So I'll just give you like a quick tour of the entire space. so that you'll have an idea. Okay, so this is the study table that I wanted to show you all. So I ordered this online. I didn't actually buy this at the store because I knew it would be very heavy to like carry it around. So I just ordered it online. So I will put it down in the description box if you want to know the cost and if you want to see it online. I believe this is called the Alex study table, if I'm not wrong, and it comes with like these two drawers. And I thought that the space will actually be very small, but it's actually very, very spacious, as you can see. Since I thought that the spacing will not be enough, I actually ordered this organization drawer sort of a thing to just keep my books, notebooks and stuff like that. So as you can see, I have like my notebooks, the novel that I'm currently reading, some of my like electronic gadgets and stuff. Information about the table, like its dimensions, the link and everything will be in the description box, so you can totally check that out. Oh, by the way, I forgot to show you guys this in the video, but this is also from Ikea, probably my most favorite purchase. These are just like two elephants which are like golden, again a showpiece, but I think it goes really cute with my study table. I have the chair as well. This is also from Ikea and it's just a black simple office chair. I don't know how to describe it, I'm very bad at descriptions, but I'll link this down as well. It's super comfy, it has backrest and all of that, so it's really cool. So yeah, this is how my setup looks like, and my productivity has increased like 10 times after buying this. I'm so glad that I purchased this table, and all of this was ordered online. I knew that if I go to the store, it'll be very difficult for me to carry it, even if it's only till the parking or till the car. I knew it'll be very heavy to carry, so I just ordered everything online and I got it delivered at home. So yeah, this is what the entire setup looks like. So yeah, that was it. That was the entire haul. These are some of my favorite items and I'm so glad that I picked these from Ikea. So let me know if there's anything that you're interested in. If I find them online, I'll link it down in the description box so you can check it out. So let me know in the comments below what was your favorite item from the entire haul. And also give this video a thumbs up. It'll encourage and support me to make more videos like this. I hope this video was useful, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video. Lots of love. Bye. Focus. Okay, so I realized, so this reminds me of